Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Good news po itong pag-usapan natin ngayon. Dito sa post ni dating Congressman Mike Defensor, meron siyang sinare na statement of support permado ng mga Roman Catholic bishops, evangelical Christian bishops at leader ng Muslim religious community. Nagkaisa na po ang religious sector sa suporta sa Brave 18 Marines. Nauna na po ang Iglesia ni Cristo. Sumunod ngayon, Roman Catholic, Evangelical, Christians, and Muslim community. Ito, statement of support for Bishop Ephraim Tendero. Ito pong si Bishop Ephraim Tendero, kilala ko ito ng matinong bishop ng mga evangelical Christians. Siya po ang tumayong witness doon sa Brave 18 Marine sa kanilang affidavit. Hindi yan pipirma itong matinong bishop kung hindi siya naniniwala sa sinasabi ng mga Brave 18 Marines. We the undersigned members of the Religious Leaders Council for National Transformation. Para basahin ko muna yung mga pumirma, mga bigatin. Most Reverend Roberto Gaa, Bishop ito ng Novaliches. Bishop Roberto Gaa. Bishop Gerardo Alminaza sa San Carlos, Diocese of San Carlos. Bishop Jose Colin Bagaporo, Episcopal Commission on Interreligious Dialogue. So, tatlong Catholic bishops na yan, Roman Catholic. Ito na yung Evangelical Christians. Most Reverend Noel A. Pantonha, National Director, Philippine Council of Evangelical Churches. Kilala ko rin ito. Matinong bishop ito. Miss Menian Mata Kalob, General Secretary, NCCP. Nakalimutan ko na yung meaning, mga evangelical Christians din ito. Reverend Father Antonio Labiao Jr., Vicar General for Pastoral Affairs, Diocese of Novaliches. Father Albert Delbo, President, Manila Ecclesiastical Province School Systems Association. Imam, may imam tayo. Imam Ebra Moxer, National President, ICPI. Imam is a Muslim religious leader. Reverend Father Wilmer Joseph Treya, Head Secretariat of RLCNT. And then Imam Alem Nagub Taher, Grand Mufti of National Capital Region. Wow! Mga bigatin po ang mga pumirma. Suporta sa mga kapatiran natin, buong Iglesia ni Cristo, naniniwala sa pahayag ng Brave 18, kaya nananawagan sila na imbestigahan. Sa statement of support na ito, ganon din. Nananawagan sa Ombudsman at Blue Ribbon na imbestigahan ang pahayag ng Brave 18 Marines. Ito, basahin ko na. We, the undersigned members of Religious Leaders Council for National Transformation, representing voices from the Roman Catholic, Protestant or Evangelical, parehas lang yan, Protestant and Muslim faith communities, come together in humility and prayerful concern for our beloved nation. In spirit of brotherly support, we affirm Bishop Ephraim Tendero, a respected servant of the gospel, for his willingness to serve as witness to the signing of an affidavit by 18 individuals who presented themselves as former members of the Philippine Marines. We recognize that Bishop Tendero acted in good conscience to attest only to the voluntary nature of their act of signing before a notary public without vouching for the veracity of the contents of their statements. We hold Bishop Tendero in high regard for his long-standing integrity, his commitment to truth, and his service to the broader Christian community both here and abroad. We stand with him as he faces scrutiny on this matter, trusting that his motives were pure and guided by the desire to uphold due process. At the same time, ito na, panawagan na, we humbly yet firmly appeal to the Honorable Office of the Ombudsman to examine this case with comprehensive fairness and impartiality. We respectfully urge that the investigation consider the full context and all relevant parties involved rather than focusing solely on those who have come forward with allegations. True justice requires that every claim be weighed carefully and that no stone be left unturned in pursuit of the facts. Ito naman, kay Lacson. We likewise respectfully call upon the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee to undertake a thorough, open, and public inquiry into the claims made by these 18 individuals. Such a transparent process would allow our people to hear directly from those involved and to discern the truth for themselves. The allegations concern an enormous sum amounting to hundreds of billions of pesos said to be public funds intended for the welfare of our nation. If even a portion of these claims proves to be true, the amount involved could have profound implications, including the capacity to safeguard our economy against crises such as those affecting our oil supplies. The Filipino people are sovereign stewards of these resources, deserve nothing less than full clarity and accountability. In prayer and hope, we entrust this matter to God's justice and wisdom. May truth prevail, may corruption be exposed wherever it exists, and may our leaders, both in government and in society, be guided toward righteousness and the common good. Ito ang ganda yung last statement. Linisin lahat mula taas hanggang baba, hindi dahil sa galit, kundi dahil sa pagmamahal sa bayan at sa katotohanan. Marami pong salamat mga Most Reverend Bishops, Imam. Laking suporta ito. Sana pakinggan kayo ng Ombudsman at ang Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel na ito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Ni ang gihatag namo nga yero. Kung ikarga lang og motor. Abot na gyud ang yero. Abaka lang gyud ang gipang bugkos. Karon dalo na pod ni Kuya sa yang payag sa tabok. So baklay pag yun. Layo pa. So dito pagid sa tabok ang payag ni Kuya. So tabok pagid sa sapa. Karon awat na gyud si Kuya sa payag. So mo na ni ang payag ni Kuya nga kuanan karon atupan karon. Giapid-apid na ang mga trapal. Makita gyud nato og silipin og trapal lang. Naanay mga tubig nga na kuan sa trapal na butang tungod sa ulan. Maupod ni ang itsura sa ilang sulod sa ilang gipuy-an. So trapal lang gid in town. So mag-atop na gyud. Ora kini kasinabot. O karon humanag gyud sa pag-atop og maayo na gyud nga tan-awon kay di na pa sa pareha sa ganina nga mga trapalang og silupin. Makita gyud nato nga dili na gyud sila maulanan.
Salamat kay sa Ginoo nga sa naghatag og sin niya, di na gid ulanan.
Oo. So pila gyud nanay ka tuig na nga nagantos mo aning gaulanan lang trapalang inyong atop?
Murag mga dugi-dugi na ni.
Mga tulo duha ba ka tuig?
Katuig.
Duha ka tuig. So salamat kay nanay.
Oo.